the first video. In this video, we're going to go out to LA and we're going to go and see all the wreckage with the Palisades fires and the Eaton fires. But for now, I got dinner here. It's real simple. It's got chicken strips and watermelon. And we're going to feast.
You should have seen what it looked like that. You guys ever like That's the same thing. 3 months later.
I think since it's raining out and Barnes & Noble's going to close here in about 10 minutes, we're going to get some work done here in the car, work on some music. Yeah, I might mix a song, write something new. We'll see what happens. It's creativity. Perfect. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna call it for the night. Got some work done on the music. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. I just got out of the gym. Got a workout in, shower, all that. Gonna go get some breakfast here at Whole Foods. Then we're gonna head on up to LA. All right, we got some food in our stomach here. Let's head on up to LA.
Start to close my eyes.
So I'm not seeing much yet. Seems like these houses are all right. I will say this has been a pretty nice walk so far. A lot of really nice houses over here. I'm not really over here all that much. These pines here, these ponderosa pines, they remind me of back home. There's lots of them here. Kind of really cool to see, not gonna lie. Yeah, check this out. They're gonna end up demolishing this building right here. It did look like a pretty old building, so I'm wondering if they're going to demolish it due to fire safety. That would make sense. We're back in the car here. I didn't see anything walking around, nothing suspicious or anything like that, or crazy. So we're gonna move to another spot here, see if we can find something. Okay, so it got to a point where they're not letting people pass anymore. They got military and everything enforcing, so assuming the fire's over there. Smells like smoke out here. I don't know what to say. This is insane. Fire's right here. You can see the black of the bottom of the tree there. This grass right here was all lit up. Whoever's house that was, I'm incredibly sorry. You don't know how sorry I am. I've dealt with wildfires before, but this is just next level. It's just gone. Just look at how close this was to this house. This house is lucky. See where that caution tape is? That's where there used to be a house, but it's gone. What I've noticed too is they got a lot of patrols going around this area. I don't think they want people here for the most part, or they're just inspecting to make sure nothing else re-sparks, you know? Look at this tree, this old tree. See the black on it? Those are burn marks. Tells me this tree was real close to catching fire. Notice they inspected pretty much all the houses here. Whoever whoever lost their home in the Palisades fire, I am very, very sorry. I've never seen anything like this before, and it's heartbreaking to see. It's really heartbreaking to see. I don't even know what to say to this, honestly. Both the Palisades and the Eaton fires, whoever lost their home in those fires, I have no idea what to say to you right now other than it's gonna be okay. That's all I can really say. Like, these homes are very big and clearly multi-million-dollar homes, and a lot of you guys have lost it, lost everything due to a wildfire, and it's insane to me that whoever went through this, is still out here kicking. Hey guys, that's it for the fires. I wanted to go over to the Eaton fire and film a little bit there, but something was telling me that I shouldn't do that. I started getting super, super anxious, and I just couldn't really focus all that well, so decided not to do that. My mind was just all over the place, let's just say that. It reminds me to be grateful for what I do have rather than be sorry for what I lost. I'm grateful I have this car to sleep in. I'm grateful that I have a place to stay. Well, kind of a place to stay. I have a spot down here I like to park every night where I'm undisturbed, and I'm grateful for a lot of things. I think us as humans, we overthink that. We think it's supposed to be a big thing, It's like supposed to be a big accomplishment that we're supposed to achieve, I suppose. When really, being grateful for the things that you have, well, you'll be grateful for more things that you do have as well. Yeah, that's my 2 cents on that. Just wanted to say that real quick. But for now, I am back in the place I am, where I'm usually at. I don't like going up to LA. It's too sketchy up there. So I'm back here. I'm gonna go change. I'm gonna go over to Barnes & Noble, bring my computer, do stuff on it. I need dinner. Here's what I got for dinner here. I got this chicken teriyaki with white meat bowl. I also got this container of mixed melons and fruits and stuff like that. It's pretty nice. Looks like that. I'll try these melons real quick. They look real good. I like these melons. You never go wrong with good melons. Anything in Whole Foods is so good. I love it. It's the greatest thing ever. It's healthy for you. It's great for you. It tastes amazing. The only thing better would be some home-cooked meals. Which, in the future, I'd like to get a stove and a way to store food as well. A quote-unquote fridge. I think that's going to be down the line a little bit. I'm going to figure it out. For now, this will work. yet for today's YouTube video, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video of mine. You can click right here to watch that last video. It is about NAM. You're not going to want to miss it. It's really, really cool. There's some instruments in there that are really cool. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay curious.